Hey everyone, how's it going? So in today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you another Super Mario Bros. Character, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Toad from the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Toad from the new Super Mario Bros. Movie, let's begin by drawing the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a little curved line that comes just like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up like this for the head. Now, starting here, I'm going to make the big mushroom top for his head. So we're going to start right here, and we're going to come out. I'm going to curve this around, and then I'm going to bring this down right to here. Now, inside of here, let's make his face. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a little oval shape like this for one of the eyes. I'm going to leave some space, then I'll make another shape just like this for the other eye. Next, I'm going to make a small circle inside each one, and then I'm just going to color this in, leaving just a little bit white. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that curves across for the mouth. And then I'll make a line that's going to come down and up for the mouth. Make a little line for the tongue. And just go ahead and color this part in. And I'll make a little curved line on each side for the mouth, and a little line down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then another line that's going to curve up here. And then right in the middle here, we're going to make a big circle shape for the spots on the mushroom. Now, starting here, let's make the body. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. And then I'm going to draw a line across here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. And you can see it kind of curves in just a little bit. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come over and up. Same thing here. We're just going to go over and up like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up, and then one right here, a little line that's going to come up. We'll make a little smiley face shape on each side, and we'll draw two little lines across on each side for the little straps on his pack. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. We'll make a little line that's going to curve around like this. We'll make a little line in here and a little line like this for his hand. Over here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out. And then a little line that's going to come over. I'll make a little oval shape here. And then a bigger oval shape right here for his hand. Then I'm going to bring this in and then up to here for the arm. Now right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and down. We'll make a little bump out here and then a little line down. And then I'm going to bring this line down here and back up for his little walking stick. Now, right across here, I'm going to make a little line. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And the same thing here, I just kind of go out and then down. I want to make a little line that just kind of goes up and down. And then I'm going to curve this up, and I'm going to curve this up here. And then we'll just make a little line across here for his pants. Now for his shoes, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come up. And same thing here, I'm just going to curve this line down. It's going to come around and up. We'll make a little line across here, and another little line right across here. And then right here, I'm just going to make a few little lines down to show his puffy pants, and a few that right down here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of Toad from the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.